Afrika Mashariki.
Asanteni sana, basi naomba sote tuweze kuketi. The party leader, People's Liberation Party, PLP, Her Excellency Senior Counsel Mother Karua, the second Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua, the 10th Vice President and Wiper Party Leader, His Excellency Stephen Kalonzo, Party Leader, Democratic Action Party DAP Kenya, Honorable Eugene Wamalwa, Safina Party Leader Jimmy Wanjigi, Presidential Candidate Dr. Mohisa Kitui, all party leaders present, the Advocate of the High Court of Uganda, who is also the lead counsel representing Dr. Kiza Besige in the ongoing matter in Kampala, Lord Mayor Arias Lukwago, and kiongozi wa chama cha ACT Wazalendo kutoka Jamhuri ya Muungano wa Tanzania, Dorothy Semu, all the members of Parliament present, from the National Assembly as well as from the Senate, together and inclusive of Honorable Mbui, the Deputy Minority Leader, Mheshimiwa Jane Kihara, Mheshimiwa Amos Mwago, Mheshimiwa Honorable Mawade, Mheshimiwa Honorable Susan from Kiambaa, Senator Karungo Wadangwa, Senator John Medho, Honorable Kagusha from Mukurene, Honorable Njeri Maina, Honorable Ngogoyo from Kajiado County, Honorable Jude Njomo, Honorable Munyaka, and Honorable Ngunjiri. Ladies and gentlemen, Your Excellencies, welcome to the launch of the People's Liberation Party, PLP. As we settle down and welcome you to take your seats, we wish to formally and officially start today's event. Now, when the Constitution Review Bill was presented in Parliament in the year 2021, at the floor of the House, all members of Parliament who were in the opposition walked out. The Constitutional Review Bill was so controversial, the entire civil society was also opposed to it. But as all the members from the opposition walked out, all but one was left.